Hey everyone, Scott here with Lethbridge Toyota. Just want to show off my client's 2023 Tundra Capstone in blueprint, and we put a really aggressive stance on this sucker here, so I definitely want to show this off, and you can use this as a reference for any of your future Tundra builds. It's got a 3.5-inch rough country lift with 35 by 12.5 inch tires, and we went to a 17 by 8.5 rim. You have to be careful with the rims because not all of them are shaped properly on the inside, giving the brake caliper clearance on the inside there. By the time you put counterweights on there when you're balancing, that's something you have to consider, and Method's one of those wheels that take that into account, and we made this work for them. So the only thing that you might have to do for modification to make this tire fit properly with this stance is either remove this front mud flap. You're getting a little bit of rubbing, just nicking that corner right there. So you can either remove the mud flap, or you can cut up the mud flap, or heat gun it, mold it back a bit, or put a flatter mud flap on there. So a very minor modification to make this work, but definitely worth it when you get it looking like this. We also did a Capstone badge delete on the side there. You can see we took off the crest that goes all the way from the front door down to the back. It's a big chrome silver styled badge that says Capstone in it. We just wanted to clean up the look, so we took it off and buffed it out. Turned out really nice. As you can see earlier as well, we put that TRD Pro Heritage grill in it, backflip hard trifold tonneau cover, and I know when the customer takes possession of this, we're actually going to do a little cleaning up with all that chrome. We have some digital camo from the TRD Pro coming that we can swap those out with and really make it look aggressive. Definitely use this video as reference for your future Tundra builds, and if you want to look like this, like I said, this is a 3.5-inch rough country lift, 35 by 12.5 inch tires with 17-inch Method 317 wheels. 316, 317. What do I do? Zero offset. If you guys have any questions, give me a call or text at 403-634-7344. Thanks.